In this video, you will learn how to make text vertical in Excel. First things first, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the cell where you want the vertical text. Click on the cell and type in your desired text. Next, head over to the top menu bar and click on the Home tab. This is where most of your basic formatting options are located. Now look for the alignment group within the Home tab. Here, click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options for rotating your text. In this drop-down menu, you'll see two primary options: rotate text up and rotate text down. Choose either one depending on how you want your vertical text to appear. After rotating your text, you might want to adjust its alignment further for better aesthetics. This customization allows you to position your vertical text exactly where you want it within its cell. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.